we're now going to talk about promotion extensions. Now these used to only be able to do these on shopping campaigns, which is what you can see here where they've got special offer. You can add these to your text campaigns now, which you can see, this is what they look like here. So there's one here, 20% off everything for Easter, with a code and a date for when it's valid. So let's go in and see how we set these up. So you go to Ads and Extensions, then Extensions, and then down the bottom of the page, Promotion Extension. Okay, so we don't have any here already. So let's add one. Now here you choose whether it's an account level or a campaign or even an ad group. You can have a specific offer for specific ad groups and campaigns. I'm going to set this as an account level. Now you have the option here to choose an occasion, which the one that we just saw, obviously they've chosen Easter. So you've got lots of options here. You don't have to have anything. So let's leave that as none. Then you choose your currency, which is GBP for us. And then you have a choice of a monetary discount, so £5 off, £20 off, or 10%, 20% off, or up to. So if you've got a scaled discount, so it depends how much you spend, depending on how much you get off, then you can use one of these options. So let's do a percentage discount, let's say 10%. And then here is where you write your text, which then is what showed up here, 20% off everything. Okay. So 10% off. Let's be original, shall we? Everything. There we are. If you were adding this to a specific campaign, which was maybe children's shoes, you could put 10% off children's shoes, etc. And then your URL here would be an appropriate landing page for that offer. Now, if the offer is site-wide and you're talking about it on the home page, then send it to the home page. If you've got a specific category where you're doing a discount, send them to that category. So you can have a promotion code here, like they had on that advert, where you just say, use this code and you'll get a discount. You can specify, so say this may be free shipping over £50, then you put on orders over, if you put free shipping over here, £50 here. Okay, so you can preview what it's going to look like up here. So actually we don't need that 10% off. We just have 10% off everything. Let's see, online. Don't get much room here. Everything online. There we go. Online. Okay, so if you said on orders over 50, then it will specify here on orders over 50. So you can either do that. You can't. Or you have 10 off, code 10 off. So you just choose whatever you want here, or you can just leave that blank. Same options for advanced features. You can select a date to start it. Now this is particularly useful for these promotions. Now, important thing to remember with these promotions, if you select a start and an end date here, if that's the start date is maybe 3 weeks ahead of time, this will still show for the next 3 weeks, but the date next to it, so this date here, will show whatever the date is that you put in to the date that it finishes. So that can get confusing for people because it looks as if there's a sale, but it hasn't actually started yet. If you want to schedule the actual extension to only show in 3 weeks' time, then you need to go into the advanced options here and then select under the scheduling section, select a start date here as well. So I would say, right, our sale starts on the 1st of May and runs, so it's May Madness or whatever, and runs to 31st of May. I will also need to then put on here that the offer runs from the 1st to the 31st of May. And then it will, when it does show, it will say it's only valid from the 1st to the 31st of May. Quite handy if you want to kind of bring a bit of scarcity in, so people think, oh, there's only 2 days left. If I don't buy now, I'll lose the discount. So just bear that in mind, that if you don't want to show, if you're planning ahead and setting these up in advance, make sure you go to the advanced options to actually schedule the ads to show. Again, if you wanted to add a schedule of times when it shows the days of the, only shows on certain days of the week, certain times of the day, you add that there. When everything is done, then you just click add, and there you have your promotion extension done. Now, obviously, you can have multiple promotions. Maybe you have different promotions on different product categories. You can also, as I said, you can schedule them. So if you're planning different promotions throughout the year, you can schedule these so that they'll all just automatically switch on and switch off as the promotions become available. Okay, so that's how you set up your promotion extensions.